Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Okay, now this here, it's a nice little, prep meal that everyone should be doing really, I reckon. It's so good. You can do like 3 tubs of these, 4 tubs, put them in the fridge, nice and easy, quick as well. And that's it, you got your proteins. When you come home, long day at work or gym, don't cook nothing, you just heat this up, put it in the microwave for a couple of minutes, and that's it, done. So plenty of carbs, protein, and you got your fats as well, yeah? So what you do, I've got 3 or 4, well here I've done 5 today, so 5 to 6 potatoes, chop them up in pieces, yeah, or cubes, and then put them in the hot water, yeah. So obviously boil the water first, all bubbling, and then chuck them all in, yeah. So about 5 to 6 potatoes chopped and diced, yeah, and then chuck 3 eggs in there, alright. And then in the meantime, get a tub, separate tub, and yeah, just put some two tins of tuna. That's what I've done here, yeah. You can do 3 if you want, but 2 I think is enough. And some mayonnaise, or some light mayonnaise, whatever's up to you, yeah. Okay, so have that as well on standby, alright. So what we're going to do, when the eggs are done, boiled and that, obviously put the lid on, that's your heat, okay. Now you've got to cook this for 10 minutes, alright. So get your little timer and do it for 10 minutes, okay. Cool. So like I said, yeah, that's going to be boiling, alright, cooked. In the meantime, do that. And when the eggs are done, boiled, we're going to get them, we're going to chop them up and then put them in this mix, alright. So that's it, nice and simple, nice and easy, alright. Alright, so what we do now, wait till it's done, 10 minutes done, and then I'll show you what to do next, alright. Alright, okay, so that's done now, alright. Now, I've got to say, it's about 10 to 15 minutes, so 10 minutes, try it, okay. Potatoes, they're soft and tender, all good, yeah. But I put 15 minutes, alright, so 10 minutes, then I put 5 more, just make it nice and soft, yeah. So altogether, just say 15 minutes, it's easier, yeah. So 15 minutes, all potatoes are done, and the eggs obviously done as well, okay. So, take off the hob, turn the cooker off, alright, lid off. So what we're going to do now, alright, going to get a spoon, alright, plastic spoon, and we're going to get the eggs out, alright. So get the eggs out, proper boil now, put them in a little bowl, alright. Okay. Cool, that's the eggs done. And what you're going to do here, you have your boiled eggs, you're going to run them under some cold water, okay? And leave them in there for a bit. Okay, so put them aside, cold water, so they cool down a bit. Now obviously when you eat your potatoes, yeah, what we're going to do, okay, we are going to make sure they are tender, yeah, so just get a knife, alright, and just like I said, just try and chop some, so you know they're definitely tender, so they're really soft, like butter, beautiful that is. Okay, so we're sorted with that. Now what we're going to do, we're going to drain it, okay. Now, what you're going to do is get your lid, put it back on again. We're going to drain it, okay, so just give it a little dip, yeah, little gap in the middle obviously, yeah, little dirt in the end, tiny bit, and just drain it in the sink, alright. So, let's do that now, show you a bit, just be careful it's still hot, okay. So hold it, drain it, so there. Drain as much as you can. You won't drain all of it obviously because there's still a little water obviously there, it's normal. Cool. Okay, so when you drained it, you have something like this, alright? Lovely gorgeous potatoes ready, alright? Okay, now leave the potatoes aside. What we do now, we're going to do our eggs, alright? So, Remember the eggs in the cold water? Okay, so simple. Just get your little knuckle, yeah? One little break and that's it. And then that's it. I'm going to peel it. So all the shells coming off, alright? One, okay, in there. So it should come off easily. Two. And three. Nice and easy. And what we do here is clean up as you go, because it makes things much easier. I understand people leaving crap in the bloody all over the place, you know, it's stupid. It's just bloody more hassle, isn't it, really? Cool, put your shells in the bin. Okay, so there's our eggs. So what we're going to do now, we're going to add them to our nice little tuna mix. Okay. Alright, so there's our tuna mix. Actually what I'll do, easy. There we go. So I'm going to show you nice and easy here. Okay, there's your tubs, get ready as well, yeah? Okay, big deep tubs and a small one, yeah? That's what you need. Now, strain your eggs, alright? What we're going to do, just get your spoon or knife, whatever you got. Just get your boiled eggs, alright? Just chuck them in. And then just squish them, really. Alright? Yeah, just squish them. So nice and mashed in there. Beautiful. Got the yolk. Gonna mix them with the mayonnaise and the tuna. Beautiful. Nice. Get the other egg as well. Just chuck them all in, it's easier. And that's it. Give it a nice little mash. And that's it. Yeah, that yolk really fucking good for you. Amazing. Like I said, a lot of protein here, a lot of carbs, so it's nice. And you've got good fats in there as well, right? And again, most healthy. It'll keep you going for a long time. It's good. Best prep meal you ever do, yeah. Right, mix it all. So at the beginning, I know a lot of you are probably thinking, damn, that's a lot of mayonnaise you put in there. Well, this is why, because the eggs we're going to put in, yeah. Because you need more mayonnaise to mix it up, and that's what we get. See what I mean? Cool, that is our mix done. Right. Okay, now we're going to focus on our potato, yeah? Our potato mix. So, up. There we go. Okay. So, that's our potatoes, yeah? Now, what we're going to do here, okay? There we go. Cool. Gonna get some nice black pepper. And shove that all in there. Beautiful, nice. Then get some rock pepper salt. Okay, some pink Himalayan rock pepper salt. Sprinkle some of that lovely stuff on there. Nice. Okay, and then we're gonna put this in there. Some nice olive oil butter. Okay. This one I use Bertoli. Nice. So I'm going to get some of that and chuck it in. That gives it a nice flavour, okay? Alright, so good amount, alright? Chuck it in. Now there's no measurements, you just bloody, you know, like three pieces, yeah? I'll say 3 scoops, that's enough, yeah? There you go, alright? That's 3 scoops. So that would be enough, alright? So now, what we do now, we are going to mix it all, alright? So, let's get a spoon, whatever, spatula we got. And yeah, just mix it around. Just get that butter all over the potatoes, alright? Gorgeous, lovely. Alright. Now some of the potato will be a bit mushy. It's normal. The point is just getting that butter everywhere, yeah? Oh, smells good already. There you go. Okay. Nice, that'll do. Okay, so that's our lovely potato now. That's what it should look like. Nice butter in there, salt and bit of pepper. Okay, beautiful. Now, last but not least, we're going to shove our lovely fucking tuna and egg mix in there, alright? So I'm going to shove that in there. There we go, nice. Now, you've got choices. I mean, I've done it before, okay? You can do it separate, you know, like just put the potatoes in first in the tubs and then put the tuna and egg mix, yeah? But you don't have to do that. You can just do it all in one. I think it's bloody much easier, really, because then it's all mixed, ready to go, yeah? But it's up to you. Whatever's easy for you, okay? Now, it's all in there now, okay? So we do, give it a mix. There we go. Lovely. So like I say, you don't have to mix it all together. You could just do it separate, you know. You can just leave the tuna mayonnaise in the tub and just 1 scoop of potatoes in the tub. Say about 3 scoops is enough, and then put some tuna mix in there. And that's it. But mixing it all together I think is easier. So it's all there and that's it, okay? Okay. Let's have a taste. Oh yeah, that's good. Okay. Now I'll mix this done. Zip in our flipping tubs. Okay, so our tubs are here. Get all ready. Okay, get all towel here, put the saucepan on. Okay. Obviously get your spoon again, so we're going to shovel it in the tubs, alright? So like I said, this will last you a good few days, yeah? Save you cooking anything, alright? Very nice. Plenty of carbs, plenty of protein. Nice. So like I said, yeah, at least 5 or 6 potatoes, that will do, alright? And 3 eggs. And 2 tins of tuna, that's all you need. Okay. That'll do for that. Plenty there. Okay, so that's your first tub. All good, yeah? Ready to go. Alright. So that's one. That's 1 meal. That could be a lunch or your dinner. It's up to you, yeah? So that's that one. And then the next one. So like I said, yeah, that should last, yeah, a good 2 or 3 days, yeah? Well, depends how hungry you bloody are, really. And that's it, really. But like I said, beats cooking or anything else. Because I know a lot of you bloody, you're working all day or you come from the gym, you go home, and you're just too tired to bloody cook. So what do? You do the worst thing ever. You get fucking takeaways. So don't do that. You can do this, you've got no excuse, alright? It's lazy otherwise, you know what I mean? Lovely, there we go. Alright. Got nice 2 big fat tubs now, this gorgeous freaking mix. Alright. There we go. Lovely. That's your second tub. Alright. Wrong freaking lid. What a dumbass. That one? Nope. Sort it. Sort that in a minute. Okay, so like I said, there's enough in here for 2.5, right? So 2 big tubs and 1 small one, right? So nice and easy, you know what I mean? So now that adds what's in here. So that small one could be for your lunch and the big one's for your meal, really. But whatever you want to do, yeah? So that's how much you'll get from 6 potatoes, 3 eggs and 2 tins of tuna, alright? If you want to do more, then just double it. So we've got a big pot for all this. There we go. Good stuff. Alright, so there you go. Alright, nice little prep meal. Nice yeah, potatoes, yeah, lovely potatoes. Got some eggs, 3 eggs. You've got your tuna and the mayonnaise, right? That's easy to do, yeah. Nice prep meals, alright. So try and do this. One, it'll bulk up a bit, be good, alright. Like I said, plenty of carbs, plenty of proteins. You get all your macros there, alright. Like I said, this saves you freaking spending money on crappy freaking takeaways. Ain't gonna help, right? You're just gonna end up going to the toilet and just waste of money, yeah. So try and do this. Nice little prep meal. It's cheap, affordable, easy to do, alright. Okay, and don't take long either. You know what I mean? 10-15 minutes, you're done. Okay, so no excuse really, yeah. So yeah, give it a go and let me know what you think, yeah. Alright, hope you enjoyed the video. I'll see you in the next one.